over here. Windows Explorer. So this is the new file saving over here, right? You can see this file. Just minimize it, and this is how the file look like. Let me just give you the overall glance about this kind of ribbons. This is called title bar. Okay, these are the title bar for you, where your name is getting saved over here, right? And here your profile name, what type of profile you have, and email address, so on and so forth. Here you will do a minimize and maximize. If you want to close it, the Excel, you can simply close it from here. Suppose you are working with the MNCs, you are working with the any of the college project, okay, and you want to work collaboratively. That time you will use this option called share, and you will share this Excel workbook to other person, and they can parallelly work on this. Okay. Also here you can see this option, get Excel mobile app. There is an app is also available for mobile. You can also do it Excel editing from your mobile itself, and parallel mode you can have the changes in place. This is called ribbon, file, home, insert, draw, page layout, formulas, okay, so on and so forth. Okay. Each step I have explained in my previous video series, which is we have already spent 8 hours there, right? You can just go through it and just understand what exactly it is and how it works. So since you have joined this series, right, in the intermediate and the advanced level, we are covering the dashboard section, okay, where we will be covering this particular part in depth, where you will get to know what exactly and how we are using this home, insert, draw, page layout, so on and so forth, and what is the use of it, right? Here, you mean zoom out your Excel workbook like this, and if in case you have this vertical, you can just click on this option, vertical, and then this is the horizontal bar, okay? You can just simply select that and you can just check it, okay? And here it's a 100%, so we'll keep it as a 100% over here. Perfect. So this is the accessibility, good to go. Again, we have explained this part as well there. Here we always talk about automation, right? So here called developer ribbon tab. In your screen, in your Excel, this option might not be available. How to turn that on? Even those kind of shorts we have maintained in our 300 pack video series, where you can get to know that how to enable this developer ribbon. Okay, where you will do a automation for your team, for your projects, wherever you are working with, or maybe your startups. Okay, now I will show you how to close Excel properly. Okay, you either go here, file, and then close on this particular option, or maybe simply click on this option, close, and you can just simply close this Excel workbook over here, right? You just simply click on this option. Majority times people don't follow this close, okay? So you can just disregard this part. You will just go here and just have the habit available for you. Just have to simply click here. Pro tip over here again, if Excel asks you to save changes, always click save whenever it's required. Okay, sometimes we work so hard and we forget to save our files. Okay, and that time our data may lose. Okay, so final wrap up, you have just learned Excel from the absolute beginning. You now know how to open Excel, understand the screen, enter the data, save Excel workbook, and close Excel properly. This foundation is very important. In the next sessions, we will move into formulas, data analysis, reporting, automation, AI, dashboards, and step-by-step guide. If you are serious about mastering Excel the right way, to stay connected with this series.